Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and now we will see how to create these products or how to display these products on our website. Okay, so now if I'm just clicking on this product of which is basically the shoes, there is a name of this product, and if I'm just hovering my mouse, then I could see this zoomed image. Then I'm having this price, then the description of the product, then I can add this product to the cart. Okay, if I want to buy this, so now what I'll do is I will just come over here. This is a particular product. Okay, so this is how you have to do all the necessary changes. So now let me just show you all. Let me just scroll down. Okay, so now I will show you how to add the products to your website. Okay, just go to your dashboard, then click on these products. After that, it will show you the number of the products which are available on your website. So these are some of the products which are available on my website. So I will click on add new. Now I will add a new product over here. First of all, you have to give the name of your product. Okay, so as can be seen, the name of this product is STM or whatever that is. I will say men's shoes. So I will come over here, and let me just give the name as men's shoes. And then we are having this paragraph. Okay, so paragraph is basically the optional stuff. So if I'm just coming over here down below, so this is the description. What you see over here, this is the description of this product. Okay, so if I'm just going to the top, then this is the description. Okay, so whatever description of the product that you want to show over here, this is the description of this particular shoe. You just have to I will be copying that content. I will copy this content. You have to add that description over here. Okay, so inside of this first tab, what you see, then you just have to just scroll down below, and this is the these are the settings of the Ocean WP. You don't have to mess with them. And then comes the product type. Okay, so if I'm just scrolling, just clicking on this tab, then I'm having these four options, like the simple product, group product, external, or the affiliate product, or the variable product. So this is a simple product. Okay, so if I'm just coming over here, this is the only one image of a shoe which I want to display. So this is my simple product. Now the regular price and the sales price. Okay, so now if I'm just coming over here, I could see the price is 37 rupees. So this is the sales price. Now if suppose I want to, okay, so this is what the price what you see over here, this is basically the regular price. If suppose I want to sell this product as I mean, if the regular product of this or the regular is basically the market price. Okay, so if suppose in the market this product is being sold for 1000 200 rupees, and if suppose I want to sell this product for 400 rupees on my website, and I will say the sales price is 400 and regular price is 1200. Okay, and next I'm having this inventory. We don't have to do anything. This is the SKU. SKU is basically the code which you can give to the product. If I'm just clicking on this, it says SKU refers to the stock keeping unit, unique identifier for each distinct product and the services that can be purchased. Okay, so you can give the SQA like the men's shoe or whatever you want to give. Okay, and next comes the manage stock. So if you just enable the manage stocks, this is basically for your purpose. Okay, stock quantity. So if suppose if you are having these shoes, like if you're having the 200 units, then you can just say I am having 200 units. Okay, and then just don't mess with this option. Then is low stock threshold. When the if I'm just selling this as the 20, that means when there will be only 20 shoes product, I mean only 20 products which will be left in your godown or in your shop, then you will get a email from your website that you are running out of this product, which is you are running out of these shoes on your website, they are getting sold. Okay, so you will get a low stock email from the website. If I'm just setting this at 20 this 10, that means when the last 10 items will be left to be sold, you will get notification that you're running out of stock, something like that. Okay, and the next is a shipping. So over here you just have to add the weight and the dimension. If suppose the weight of this particular shoe is uh, if I'm just saying 200. Okay, so this is in terms of the kg. So let's say if I'm just adding the 1 kg over here. Okay, so just add the number 1, then you have to enter the dimensions in terms of the centimeter. Okay, so how long this product is, I will say 30 centimeters, then the width is 20 centimeters, and the height is 10 centimeters. Then you can select the shipping class. Shipping class, this is basically the uh, tax. Okay, so I will say GST. And next is a link product. If you want to link product and all, this is a bit complex topic. This is, as of now, over here it is not required. Then comes the attribute. If there are any attributes, then you can select those attributes. As of now, I don't want to select the attributes. Then comes the advanced. Okay, so over here, if you want to enable the reviews, then you can just turn this on, then people can give the reviews for your product. And here are some of the other options which are not required as of now. And I think I have covered all the required options that are associated with this. And now if suppose I'm just coming down below, over here it says the product short description. Okay, so if I'm opening this product, I'm seeing the short description over here just below the price. Okay, so this is that short description which we have to add over here. Okay, so just add that short description, and once you are done all these things, then you can just click publish. And before that, if suppose you want to add this particular product to any of this category, this product falls under the category of the men. And then if you want to create a new category, then I will say shoes. And if you want to put this under some parent category like shoes, these are the men's shoes. Okay, so this will basically fall under this men's category. So I will say select the parent category as a men. If you don't want to select anything, you are good to go. You might not select. Okay, so I will say add new category. Okay, so now you can be seeing the shoes are added under the men's category. Okay, so then comes the product tags. So you can say shoes, men's shoes. And now next comes the featured image. Okay, so now I want to set the product image. So basically this image what you see, this is the product image or the featured image. So in order to do that, I will say set the featured image. I will select it from the media library. Okay, so where is the shoe? Let me just select this. I will say set product image, and I'll come over here and I'll publish this. Let me just preview. Just right click this and open the link in the new tab. Okay, so now this is the product which we are trying to sell. The market price is 1200 rupees, but we are selling it for 4000. And now this is the short description. Then there are 200 items in the stock. If you are running out of stock and all, then you will get the notification about it. And this is a short description. If there are any reviews, then I will get those reviews over here. And now there is this social sharing option also present. If any one coming to your website, and if they want to share this product on the website like the Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, or through mail, then they can just click on this link and directly share the product. And these are some of the recent product what we have. Okay, so this is how my product would look. Thanks guys for watching, and this is how you should create your products.